What's going on, everybody? Today we have a pouch from Alpaka. I saw this pouch online probably just a few weeks ago, and it reminded me a lot like Garage Built Gear's little mighty pouches. So I thought it'd be really interesting to take a look at it and see kind of how it stacks up against the Garage Built Gear pouch. So under first impressions, I can definitely see that we don't have any loop section for Ranger eyes. In any company, knife company, gear company, Ranger eyes are all the rage right now, guys. You should have places on stuff like this for Ranger eyes, definitely. And if you're a knife company, you should have your own Ranger eyes. They sell fast, they sell out quick. Everyone loves them. They're paying $25, $30 for one or two little Ranger eyes. You're definitely making money. Why aren't you doing it? But anyway, all things aside here, material feels really good. Feels kind of really heavy duty. Feels really heavy duty. This is what they call their X-Fabric X42, X52. This is a 42 model, so it's the X42. Got your little thing there, smart and sleek pouch, perfect for small tools, torch, cards, and other small items compatible with the HUB Keychain, sold separately. Okay, let's get rid of that. Yeah, so we got our main zipper, which I can already tell does not open the whole pouch all the way. Oh, no, never mind. There we go. There it goes. It got hung up on something. So, okay. So we got a little big pouch right there. Then we got a big pouch there. Then we got a couple slender holes here. You could probably put your torch over here. This is a little bit bigger one here. This one's narrower, so you could probably put your pen in there. I'm not really sure what you're gonna fit in there. I don't even think it's big enough for a coin. But they also do have the stretchy fabric here for some other stuff, which, you know, you probably put your knife in this big pouch here, and then maybe a pry bars in here. So yeah, these are like, they're kind of narrow to try to fit a coin, or even really any of these two pouches here. They should have made it a bigger pouch like this one, because they're just a little too small to really fit much there. The fabric's very kind of nice. I mean, it's got some stiffness and rigidity to it. What we got here, you got your kind of probably, you would consider this your wallet side, where you could put your credit cards, and then in here you put your pen, your flashlight, stick a big knife or something in there, and then, you know, some pry bars and whatever in the stretchy side. You could put your coin or your other stuff in, you know, in there. But overall, not too bad. I will do a video comparing this against the Garage Built Gear, and I'll put the price down. I don't remember. It was like $35, so I do believe. But I'll put the price down in the description, but down below. And the link to where you can find them. They come in black and orange. Black and orange, I think it's a combination of black and orange, and then just a straight black here, and that's all they have. They really should have put some loop section on here to put Ranger eyes on there. I mean, obviously they're not doing anything else on this side, so yeah, that would have been a nice feature. But yeah, there you guys go. That's just a quick look at the Alpaka hub pouch. Like I said, I'll put the price down and the link down in the description if you want to check it out. And we will catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.